So to celebrate the launch of the book, Direct Blueprint, I wanted to do something a little bit different, something that I've never done before, and something I don't see anybody else doing before. And I wanted to go really big. I wanted to get the attention on one of the world's biggest stages in front of as many eyeballs as possible. And about a month before the release, I discovered a way on how you can get those advertising spots at Times Square. So let me share my screen. Now this is a live cam right now of Times Square. And if you look in this bottom corner here, you will see that there is Broadway, 1540 Broadway, and there's all these advertising spots here. I was able to box in this spot right here in Times Square, which is pretty amazing. Like I never would have thought it'd be possible, but I found a way to do it, and the cost was minimal compared to what I thought it was going to be. Booked it all in, had to go through so many hoops to get it approved and all of that stuff. And it on the day of the launch of the book, which became an Amazon bestseller in so many categories around the world, so thank you very much for that, we were able to get the book up in lights in New York, which was amazing. The people that you see on these pictures here, those are the co-authors. So Robert Nunez from the co-host expert, who's down here, and John Ann, who is part of Tech Tape, which is here. And it was awesome. It was great. Loved it. But then I got a message. The ad got taken down. Technical issues, they said. But maybe, just maybe, we're getting under somebody or something or someone's skin. The ad was one that I created and amended and messed around with. It was one that was definitely sort of in tune with what we were talking about in why the blueprint is even the blueprint. So basically the ad was this. So it read, the book Airbnb doesn't want you to know about. Buy now on Amazon, and then a picture of the book, and then a QR code if anybody wants to go and buy it. Now, I thought it was nice. I thought it was cheeky, but it worked. You know, it really did work. It looked good. It looked great on the screen, and it's mission accomplished. But like I said, technical issues. It was taken down. So I didn't want to be beaten. I didn't want to stop there. So I found another company that had bus stop ads littered all around Times Square. I probably booked in 20 of them. And what happened next was amazing. A massive thank you to Anthony Rallo, who went down to Times Square to document this. So the videos and the pictures that you're going to see next is the footage that he got at Times Square. Now, if you're listening to the audio version of this, please go and find this on the video. If you listen to this on Spotify, open up the video, get on the YouTube channel, get on the Facebook. It is unreal. Now, if you want to find out exactly how I did this, how I set this up, the price that I paid, then all that you need to do is to go to boostly.co.uk/blueprint, grab a copy of the book and leave a review, and then send me an email of proof, and I'll send you the step-by-step guide on how I did this. It's a lot easier than you think, and it is really effective. I'm already thinking now of ways of how I could play with this in 2023 and beyond, to be honest. It is super effective. Just like with anything, you know, the more people use it, the more the price goes up, but it's so cost effective. Nobody's doing it. Nobody really hears about it because you just honestly think that it's out of your budget, but it is so cost effective. So from a hospitality point of view, from a short-term rental point of view, from a vendor point of view, whoever's listening to this or watching this, definitely tap into it because it is a ton of fun. It looks amazing on the socials. And at the end of the day, with what I did, it may be really getting under the skin of a certain OTA that I can't mention. But anyway, until next time, my name is Max Simpson, giving hosts just like you the tools, the tactics, the training, and the confidence to go and increase your direct bookings. My mission is to help 1 million hosts cut down on their over-reliance on the OTAs. And with that being said, stay proactive. Don't be reactive. Let's go and get some direct bookings, eh?
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.